right, so without further ado, just now, did you enjoy the video just now on the frog eggs? It's interesting, right? Okay, Xander is definitely exam is next month, but we need to know the date. That would be helpful. All right, no worries. If you can search the date towards the end of today's tutorial. We don't have to search it now. All right, so Xander did trial paper. So usually school will give you practice paper or trial exam papers, all right, for you to practice. Okay, and this is what we are doing as well. All right, so let's now start the PowerPoint slides. So I would like to thank these students. Hang on, let me share the screen. Okay, yes, you can see. All right, now I would like to thank Zoe is the first one to submit the answer. I think Clarice is your name spelled. Let me see. It's spelled correctly. Okay. All right. So Zoe was the first one to submit, followed by Xander, Ken, Jerome, Darius, Clarice, and Bella. All right. So it doesn't matter whether you're the first or last one to submit. As long as your name is on the star, you did a good job. Give yourself a pat on the back for submitting your online answers. All right. But of course, I can see one of you only submitted halfway. You did not submit the open-ended answers. Right, so please make sure you submit everything so that I can give comments on your open-ended answers. All right, without further ado, let's continue with our mock exam paper. Okay, first question is quite simple. All right, let me see the report. Okay, so for among the students who submitted, only one of you got this wrong. All right, so for this, right, the answer, now Zoe, can you tell me, does a bird have wings, Zoe? Can you type into the chat, Zoe? Does a bird have wings? The rest can also answer the question. All right, a bird has wings, right? But is a bird an insect? Okay, so there are other birds also have wings. All right, so we have birds have wings. Some mammals also have wings. All right, some mammals. Can y'all tell me which mammal has wings? Give me the example of a mammal that has wings. Well done, Avi, Bella, Irena. Let me open up my window so that I can see more names. Sanvi, good job. Ken, good job. If I miss out your name, don't get upset. So bat, all right, bat is a mammal. All right, you also have wings. Okay, anything else? So you see, I ate rats for my breakfast. These are the animal groups, right? So insect has wings, but some insects don't have wings. All right. So some insects have wings, some insects do not have wings. For amphibian no wings. Okay, reptiles. Reptiles, I don't think they have wings. Fish doesn't have wings. Mammals, some of them have wings like bat. Okay, birds, they all have wings. All right, so in other words, birds are not the only, insects are not the only ones with wings. All right, birds, bat also have wings. Right? So of course, not all mammals have wings. So this statement, right, they are saying which characteristic is found in insects, but not found in other animals. All right, so only found in insects. So having wings is not only for insects. In fact, there are some insects without wings. So statement B is wrong. All right, now they have 6 legs is correct. They lay eggs, that's wrong because not only insects lay eggs, other animals lay eggs also. So we have birds. Actually, everyone lay eggs, you know, except for mammals. All right, birds, reptiles. Okay, I ate rats for my breakfast. So insect lay eggs. So maybe I'll just type here, laying eggs is for many groups. We have insects lay eggs. All right, so amphibians also lay eggs. All right, amphibians like frogs. Reptiles also lay eggs. Fish also lay eggs. Mammals, do they lay eggs? Mammals, do they lay eggs? Right? Mammals, what do they do? Mammals, they give birth. All right? So birds lay eggs. So all of them, they lay eggs. All right, please remember mammals give birth. So mammals sound like your mommy. Your mommy gave birth to you. All human beings, including your mommy. All right, that will help you remember. So mammals give birth. They don't lay eggs. Now, we don't talk about special cases in PSLE. Of course, there are always special cases like platypus, spiny anteaters. They are mammals that lay eggs. But those special cases, PSLE will not test you. All right. So in other words, statement A and B, all right, are not only for insects. They're also for other animal groups. 6 legs, right, were definitely for insects. Shall we write all the confirmed characteristics of insects? All right, so shall we write insects will have, can everybody type into the chat? Insects have 6 legs. What else? 3 body parts, very good. How many feelers, Bella? Okay, how many feelers? 1 pair means 2 feelers. Good job, Bella. All right, so these are the characteristics of insects. You must know this for insects. All insects have 6 legs. All insects have 3 body parts. All insects have 2 feelers. The feelers is for them to feel around their place and to smell. So the answer, they want the correct one. So the answer is C only. So answer is B. Is everybody clear? All right. So I have the one who asked about B. Let me see. Somebody asked, is the answer B, Jerome? Yes, you're right. All right. So anyway, Jerome, you submitted your answer online. All right. So Zoe, do you understand this question? Why you got this wrong? Let me know if you don't understand. Don't need to feel embarrassed if you still don't understand. Please just tell me, I still don't understand. It's okay, so that I can help you. I'll be very happy to help you. Please don't keep quiet if you don't understand. So Zoe, is this question okay now? Let me know, please. All right, so they're asking you which characteristics only for insects and not for other animal groups. Okay, only for insects. Okay, thank you, Zoe. All right. So don't understand, must say, cannot keep quiet. Now, these are the frogs. You watch the video. Those of you who came in later, go and watch this video yourself. It's very interesting. It shows the development of the frog eggs. All right, so frogs lay eggs. A lot of animals lay eggs. Everyone lay eggs except mammals. Mammals give birth. Birds lay eggs, fish lay eggs, amphibian lay eggs. So this is an amphibian, right? So let me write it here. All right, so amphibian. All right, since we are revising amphibian, can everybody type for me? Amphibian, if let's say in water, how do they breathe? They breathe through what in water? Xander said the eggs look so yucky, make him feel uncomfortable. Looks like ice, is it? Okay, so let's talk about in water. All right, they will breathe through their moist skin. Okay, good job, Avi. All right, moist skin in water. How about on land? How about on land? How do they breathe? Okay, well done, lungs. Now, how do you remember? This is all how to breathe. Let me write here, breathe. All right, breathe through what? Here is breathe through. So how do you remember? So very simple. Lungs start with letter L. Land also start with L. All right, letter L. So lungs on land, but moist skin in water. All right, so please remember these two. All right, that's what amphibian. Moist skin, they breathe through moist skin in water. They breathe through lungs on land. So amphibians are very special. Amphibians stay in water. Amphibians also stay on land. They are the only animal group they're so special. They can live in water. They can also live on land. They are very flexible. All right, but inside the water, they will breathe through their moist skin. When they are up on the land, they will breathe through their lungs. Okay, so L and L. So these are the frog eggs. Okay, looks like eyes. Okay, let's move on. Right, now remember I told you some insects have wings, some insects do not have wings. So example of an insect that has no wings is the ants. So you can see these ants, 6 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs, 5 legs, 6 legs, and then 2 feelers in front. All right, the feelers is for them to smell. The feelers is for them, it's like the nose. Feelers to feel their place around and to smell. So these are the two eyes. So 3 body parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. 3 body parts, all right? The head, the thorax, abdomen. PSLE will not require you to memorize the 3 words, head, thorax, abdomen. You don't need to memorize. You just need to know 3 body parts, that's all. So some ants have no wings, some ants have wings. So majority of ants have no wings. So some ants have wings and can fly, okay, flying ants. Then another example of an insect that has no wing is the silverfish. All right, so silverfish, you will find them in the books. All right, if you keep storybooks at home for many years, sometimes you open up the storybook, you might, after many years, you might find silverfish on it. All right, so again, you can see 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is not the leg. This one is not the leg. This is the feeler. Antenna means feelers. All right, so you don't need to learn the word antenna. You can just simply use the word feeler. Okay, so these are the 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, 6 legs. All right, so it's an insect. Okay, so some insects have wings, some insects have no wings. All right, question 2. Now, Shanti found a fern that grows on the trunk of trees. All right, so there are 3 questions. I would like to ask everyone, okay, so when, first of all, fern, you look at this word fern. All right, can everybody tell me, is fern a plant? Everybody type your answer into the chat. Is fern a plant? Right, is fern a plant? Okay, good job, Zoe, Avi. Hang on, I just realized that your type, okay. Clarice, your concept is wrong, but at least you responded. Thank you. All right, so just take note, Clarice, fern is a plant. All right. So, Xander, what do you mean again? What is again? Xander, what do you mean again? Same question you mean? All right. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. You asked me repeat the question again. Okay. Is fern a plant, Xander? Is fern a plant? Okay. All right. So for Darius, your answer is correct. Okay. So yes, let me see. Ken, good job. Fern is a plant. Now, what kind of plant is it? What kind of plant is it? Everybody type for me. What kind of plant? Good job, Xander. What kind of plant is a fern? Good job, Irena. The rest, what kind of plant? Is it a flowering plant or non-flowering plant? All right, good job, Avi. Good job, Jerome. Flowering plant or non-flowering plant for fern? Xander, you went on to another point already. All right. Oh, but you answered the first question on top. Okay, Ken, good job. All right, so fern is, how about, has Zoe, have you answered? Can you tell me, is fern a flowering plant or non-flowering plant? Okay, thank you, Zoe. So it's a non-flowering plant. Good job, everyone. All right, so no flowers. If your mother hates flowers, go and buy her a fern. All right, so it's a non-flowering plant. Next thing is, you must know that non-flowering plants reproduce by what? Everybody type into the chat. Reproduce by what? Seeds or spores. All right, good job, Bella, Avi, Rirena, Zoe, Jerome. All right, Ken, all right. Everyone seems to have got it right. Xander, all correct, spores. All right, so it reproduced by spores. So once you know this, right, you can answer the question. They are asking you which question is answered correctly, so you put a tick. If they say incorrectly, you put a cross. So first question is, does the fern get its food from the tree? Now, obviously, fern is a plant. Once you see that it's a plant, can plant make food? Can you type into the chat? Can a plant make its own food? Okay, well done, Bella, Jerome, Ken, Irena, Avi. All right. So all plants make food. All plants can make their own food. All right, all the plants can make their own food. They don't have to eat other things. So here is, does the fern get its food from the tree? The answer is no, it's correct. It doesn't need to get the food from the